Dear students of 11th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 1, the living world. Today we are going to learn what is trinomial nomenclature and the rules of nomenclature. Now let us see what is trinomial nomenclature. This naming system was proposed by Huxley and Strickland. Trinomial means three names. They are generic name, species name, and subspecies name. When members of any species which have large variations, then trinomial system is used. On the basis of the similarities, this species gets classified into subspecies. It is the extension of binomial nomenclature system which has an addition of subspecies. All the three names are set in italics and only the generic name is capitalized. If handwritten, then it should be underlined separately as shown here. For example, the Indian house crow, its trinomial nomenclature name is Curvus splendens splendens. Now let us see what is tautonymy. The practice of naming the animals in which the generic name and the species name are the same is called tautonymy. Example, the Indian cobra, Naja Naja. The rules followed in nomenclature are: the scientific name should be italicized in printed form, and if handwritten, it should be underlined separately as shown here. The generic name's first alphabet should be uppercase. The specific name should be in lowercase as shown here. The scientific names of any two organisms are not similar. The name or abbreviated name of the scientist who first publishes the scientific name may be written after the species name along with the year of publication. For example, Lime Felis Leo Lin 1758 or Felis Leo L 1758. If the species name is framed after any person's name, the name of the species shall end with single I, double I, or AE as shown here. For example, a new species of a ground-dwelling lizard, that is Cytodactylus, has been discovered and named after scientist Varadgiri. So it is called as Cytodactylus varadgiri. Next, the concept of species. Species is the basic unit of classification. The term species was coined by John Ray and in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum. In this book, he described species as a group of morphologically similar organisms arising from common ancestor. Carolus Linnaeus, in his book Systema Naturae, considers species as the basic unit of classification. Species can be defined as a group of organisms that have similar morphology and physiology and can interbreed to produce fertile offsprings. In 1859, Charles Darwin, in his book Origin of Species, explains the evolutionary concept of species by the process of natural selection. Dear students, till now we discussed trinomial nomenclature, rules of nomenclature, and concept of species. Thank you. Have a nice day.